Well, Rascal's puppies were definitely hungry. Their first taste of goat's milk replacer, and they are liking it. Gently licking the milk, not swimming in it like some puppies do. This one's cleaning her feet. She got her foot in it. The boy is snoozing. Well, once he realizes there's food here, he'll get up. Oh, how delicate, huh? Yeah. What are you thinking? Not, are you gonna lick the rag too? You are so silly. Oh my goodness. And Mom's not even in the house. No. Look at that. I know that smells like Mom, huh? Here, try that. Oh, not bad, huh? Mmm. Cuties. Let's lick each other. Oh yes. I'll get it off your mouth if you get it off mine. Oh yeah. Thank you, sis.